proximity sensor and Z offset. The proximity sensor is installed next to the hot end. The proximity sensor detects the spring steel plate at the bottom of the platform. It is used to measure the distance between the nozzle and the platform. If the platform is uneven, the proximity sensor can automatically compensate for the unevenness, realizing the auto-leveling function and successfully printing a smooth first layer. Due to individual differences and different installation positions, the proximity sensor must go through 2 steps to ensure the normal operation of the automatic leveling function. 1. Proximity sensor location. The position of the proximity sensor should be higher than the nozzle so as not to affect the nozzle. After replacing the proximity sensor, you need to adjust the installation height of the proximity sensor. Please see the after-sales video for specific operations. 2. Z offset. After the automatic leveling is completed, in order to ensure that the distance between the nozzle and the platform is appropriate, another Z offset needs to be used to eliminate the error in the proximity sensor installation. This is the Z offset setting. Only when the nozzle position is appropriate can the first layer of the model be printed successfully. If the nozzle position is too high, the model will not stick to the platform. If the position of the nozzle is too low, the nozzle will clog or even damage the platform. Please see the after-sales video for specific operations. Thanks for watching. If you encounter problems, please contact after sales.